Hello friends, welcome to Arena of Innovation where we incubate technocrats. I am Pratik, a software developer and innovation enthusiast, and today I have come up with a crucial problem, that is, are algorithm predominating human logic and problem solving skills of an individual in today's world? Friends, first let us know what actually algorithms are. Algorithms are nothing but a series of unambiguous steps written by some ex-scientist or person in past history which are then nowadays used for solving same type of generic problem, and they are today stored in our books as the name of that particular scientist. For example, Navy Bayes algorithm written by Bayes scientist and Dijkstra algorithm written by Dijkstra. Second thing I need to explain you about is human logic and problem solving skills of an individual. For that, we need to know our brain. Our brain is the most intellectual supercomputer today present in the world, which is now being used to do mundane tasks and nothing more. Why is it so? Mostly and precisely for developers are not at all focusing on building a new logic or new set of steps to solve a particular problem in the context of that problem, so that a more efficient and more logical solution can be created. What only today is done is that the software developers just have mucked up the algorithms of the previous generation and just are using it with fluency without thinking even of the current problem in context of that problem, which leads to an innovation-less world. Nowadays, technology giants like Google and Microsoft are giving a predominant importance to people who have mucked up this algorithm and following them like a donkey to solve upcoming problems of the future world, which is leading to a constraint where we are not able to get above the boundary of today's technology and create some new and unknown technology for future of our human race. Friends, let me deep down my question. So these fellow algorithms, which are now printed in our so-called reference books and used by our so-called great developers, placed in so-called big companies like Google for solving the next gen problem, so is it worth so? We are limiting our brain from thinking to its limits to create next gen innovations. I agree algorithms are great in few cases, but should be referred and not to be learned by the developers, and can be referred to reduce time and space complexity if possible, and that is not present in the current solution developed, but should not be used as a final solution for any complex problem faced by human race or developers, leading to an innovation-less world, which will make us die like the Nokia company. So let me know about your reviews or your thoughts for algorithms, and should they be given so much hype or so much useless importance in today's world, making the people or innovators who have great thinking capabilities and can solve most complex problems in the world and are not given any importance just because they don't know algorithms, which are steps of an old man of previous generation. It's fair enough that algorithms are great and should be used in few cases, but should not be used as a final solution for any complex problem faced by the developers, which leads us to limit our thinking and innovative capabilities and finding a better solution for that particular problem in context of that problem. So, where should algorithms be used then? Algorithms can be used in few scenarios where we need to optimize the solution for time and space complexity at production level. Elsewhere, at time of research and development, algorithms should not and never be used and should be developed by developers themselves for that particular problem in that particular context. Thus, we can conclude that in today's world, innovation and innovators are the least supported and promoted entities of this technical era. And thus, our ultimate goal behind creation of this channel is to promote innovation and innovators like you in every possible way. So friends, let's come together and lead this mundane world of today to a new technological innovative future. So subscribe us to move with us in this new journey of innovation. Like, share and subscribe. So finally, hit the bell icon for latest technological innovative videos. Jai Hind.